Greetings everyone, my name is Rahul Mishra and today I'll be demonstrating the working of letsupgradetogether.com and the application. I'm a student of DAV Public School CCL Giridi and my partner Utkarsh will be joining me in this demonstration. So let's begin. When you go on to our sign up page, this is the landing page which you will see. Then again, this is not in the application screenshot should be appearing on your screens right now. And this is the sign up page. This is the page where you will sign up into your account. So you can create your account. Maybe your name is Arun Kumar maybe. So whatever your name is, you will fill in your name and your email address. You will give a good strong password and you'll choose your class, the class you're studying in. Now it's currently available for only classes 8 to 12, and then again after signing up you will proceed to the login page. Now when you log in, maybe let's say Arun logged in with his email and this is his email. So there is a very high chance that if you log in, what will happen is that you will see something like this email does not exist. Now don't panic and go on signing up again. This is just a verification process which is going on right now behind the screen, wherein we are verifying each and every user, because at Let's Upgrade Together we take the privacy of our users as our topmost priority. So what is happening is that your account is being manually verified, and for that it may take 24 to 48 hours. However, hopefully it will be done much sooner, but then again a maximum of 48 hours. Till then you might not be able to use this account. Now after you have done that, let me just log into a test account. Let's go test it at the gmail.com. So we have this account, we have created this account, a test account, and then again we'll hit on continue to chat and it will take us to this test account. Now what you see here right on your screen is a test account by the name of test account as well. Here your name will appear and it's currently active now as it is online, it's connected to the internet. Whenever you will be disconnected, or maybe there is some connectivity issue with your internet, I'll demonstrate that too. You will be automatically logged out of the screen and you'll have to sign in again and then again click on whichever button you had clicked. Now these are the three buttons and Utkarsh would explain to you how everything works. So Utkarsh.
Now you will find three buttons over there. Be a mentor. By clicking on it, you will get connected to a junior class today who is in need of help. You will have to help him to find the solution. Next is get mentored. Whenever you are in trouble, need some suggestion or guidance, you can click on it. You will get connected to a senior class student who will help you, as you have already heard that. If you cannot see where you are going, ask someone who has been there before. Next is your notes. In this place, you can find subject notes, materials, etc. Even you can upload your own notes there, but make sure to name the file correctly.
And that's about it. So moving on, so the be a mentor button, the get mentored button, and the notes button. So now let's try to get mentored, and I'll sign in through another account which I already have, and that will hit on be a mentor. Now what will happen is a circle will start rotating and the chat will get connected. So currently no users are active. It will connect you randomly to another user, so don't worry about that. Maybe someone is not active at the time. So now let me just go into another account and try to get mentored, and let's see what happens. So successfully a chat has begun. So let me just send a hello from the mentor side. So I've sent a hello to Utkarsh from a mentor side, and then again now whoever is on this end. This is a test account, your account will be here. Now if you have clicked on get mentored, you will try to get help. Maybe you are facing trouble in some physics chapter or something like that, or maybe there is some other problem. Now the exact usage will be discussed in a detailed video. Currently this is a demonstration video on how you will sign up, log in and use this application. Now you may click on this button and you can click here. It will launch a dialog box and you will be able to upload files. And then again, this is the audio chatting option, wherein you have to give the permission of audio, and I'll just allow this, and now it will record my audio. I'll stop this and a pop-up is there. Are you sure you want to send this audio? Click on yes or click on no, depending on that. I'll click on no, so cancel your audio is not sent, and I'll just send the audio once so that you can see how it works. So I'll just send this audio, or audio has been sent. So that's that. Now this is the current way you are going to maneuver through this application. Now you may report this chat if the behavior is rather unparliamentary. You may report the chat, and a report submitted successfully tab will appear right here, and you may end the chat when you have successfully resolved the issue or your issue has been resolved by the other party. So you will hit on end chat and then you'll leave this page, and that's about it. It's completely random and you will have to rate your chat. How was it? So maybe my experience was brilliant, so I'll rate it 10 out of 10, or maybe it's 1 out of 10. So maybe somewhere in the middle, maybe it was 8 out of 10, so I'll rate it this way. And that's that. Now we'll click on the notes button, and when we'll click on the notes button, this is the place where you'll upload notes. Now currently the notes have not been uploaded in the correct format, but then again you will have to upload it in a way something like this. So it will be first the subject name, so maybe physics, then you will give an underscore or just a space, and then you will write your class. Maybe you are in class 10, and then you will write, maybe if possible, the chapter name or the topic name. So in class 10 maybe it's the laws of motion, or maybe something, I don't know, whichever topic. Maybe it is work, power, energy, or some topic. So whatever it is, you will name it that way, and then again you will upload it. Currently these files will be removed from the servers. So this is just an example. See, this is a PDF of the Mughal, so you will click on this and you may download this file. So you'll save this file. If you're doing this from your browser, you may navigate through this website through your browser itself, or you may go and install the app, and I would recommend that you go and install the app, as it's very, very simple and easier to do. So this was the notes page. So that's that. Many more features coming soon, functionalities enhanced, and if you possible, please report any bug that you find and we'll try to sort it out. Thank you for watching, and go on to the Play Store and install it right away. Thank you.